Good day, sir, madam. I am Maricel Dahanay, 23 years old, single, graduate of Information Technology. I know how to take care of children because I took care of my nephews and niece before. And I know how to do household chores such as cooking, washing the clothes, ironing.
Good day to you, Miss Maricel. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, I'm hardworking, patient, honest, and loyal.
Okay, so since you are a first-timer, how will you avoid homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will concentrate to my work and keeping myself busy.
Okay, can you tell us the proper way of taking care of the children?
Sir, madam, I will give them food, vitamins, play with them, and tutoring them, and loving them as my own nephews and niece.
What if you committed a mistake and the employer scold you? What will you do?
Yes, sir, madam, I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
Any last message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need this job for my future and for my family. I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you so much, Miss Maricel, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.